Yo, what is up guys? Today we're going to be doing something that you should be doing at least every 500 to 1000 kilometers on your motorcycle. You can probably guess what it is. We're going to be cleaning and lubing the chain. So when my dad was a young buck back in the streets of New Zealand, he had a motorcycle. I think it was a VTF 250, and he was going over 100 kilometers an hour down the freeway and his chain snapped. He was really lucky that it didn't get caught up in the rear wheel and lock it up. But I asked him, hey, how often did you clean and lubricate your chain? And he said, never. So that led me to believe that it wasn't really bad luck, but his own doing which led to that scenario, and that's what we're going to avoid here. And to avoid it, you should ideally be doing this every 500 to 1000 Ks, depending on how you ride your bike, where you ride your bike, the elements that the chain and the sprocket are exposed to. I've now put around 1100 kilometers on this bike, which is the upper limit of where you want to be before you lubricate and clean your chain. Alright, it's starting to rain, so I gotta be quick, get it undercover ASAP. How very Melbourne of the weather. It was sunny a few minutes ago. Anyway, so we've got the lube to this rail of O-rings and then the other rail of O-rings. Let it sit. We'll get the chain guard back on, and when the weather clears up, we can take it for a ride. Pretty much, if you haven't done this, go do it now. It's so easy, it's cheap, it's simple, and it could save you, as with most pieces of maintenance on a motorcycle. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. I will catch you on the next one.
You say you've got them guns, but I've never seen you bang. You say you've got them drugs, but I've never seen you slang.